Okay, so we got you going. So, here's what's up. The other camera is at least temporarily dead, and I just could not do without filming this particular ride home. It's about 28 degrees above, so it's not tremendously cold out here, but if this is not the craziest weather.
No.
Go ahead, eh?
You're fine. Thank you, sir.
Thanks and laters. So this is not the craziest weather I've gone home in. It's certainly in the top one. So let's go. This is going to be total suckage. Wind is about 20-ish miles an hour. Oh shit. Well, I hope this is... Oh fuck. That's pretty deep right there. I'm going to go around the other way. Trouble with drifting snow. If it were not for this wind, it would just be all a uniform 4 or 6 or however many inches we have. That would be that. But there's some drifts in some weird places. Okay, so I want to go as straight as I can and cross 13th in a weird spot or risk this shit. I think I'm going to stick with the usual, at least for here, because I need a place like this for icy underneath too. Very good thing I did not take the studded tires off. There is like no trees, no buildings, no anything. Road crews are out. That tractor is bigger than the camera just made it look. Okay, so this is cool. I'll be pushed along this part of the route. And I usually take this turn here, but the corner at least looks a little snowed. It looks like it's at least 6 inches deep there. Oh, light, please don't flash till I get there. This will be perfect. Woohoo! Oh, go already! You fucking suck, whoever you are. Wonder where he's going. Do not go forward until I'm through. Thank you, sir.